Rimthin Lighting has sent me these cool LED fog lights that are plug and play into almost any car. Let's go see how well they work in the real world. So the model I got is a 9005, 9006, 9005 plus H11. They can operate in -40 degrees or up to 176 Fahrenheit with a waterproof rating of IP67 and a lifespan of 50,000 hours. Plus comes with a 1-year warranty. So opening the box, one is already installed in the car because I want to show a side-by-side comparison. But these fog lights or low beams, they come with an H11, H8, or H9 bracket. So basically, if you have that kind of socket, it will fit into your vehicle. And the other option that I got is actually the 9005 HB3 socket. So if you have this pattern, it will work and fit on your vehicle. So let's go ahead and install these, do a side-by-side comparison compared to the original halogen bulbs on the fog lights, and see how much of a difference it makes on a car. I am installing these lights in a Honda Fit. They're going to be going on the fog lights. Like I said, I already installed one, so I'm going to turn on the lights right soon, and I'm going to show you the difference between the fog light with the LED lights from Rimthin and the regular boring halogen lights from AutoZone. So this is the LED one, okay? This is the LED one, this is the halogen one. By camera, it doesn't look like there's much difference. But when you come out down here, these are a lot crisper and brighter, and they will last long, up to 50,000 hours. That is your difference right here. That's the LED one, and that's the halogen one. As you can see, two different spots, patterns. One is brighter, one is duller. So now we got both of the LED lights installed. We're going to turn it on, and I'll show you how well they work. There it is. LED fog lights, up to 50,000 hours. You know, both are super bright on the bottom, working as fog lights. See, that's the difference with the fog lights of the LED fog lights. Don't buy halogens, buy these LED fog lights. Link in the description below by Rimthin Lighting. And these lights will last you up to 50,000 hours, backed up by a 1-year warranty. Not canceled. Guys, I'm Eddie B. 2064 Turn light. This particular package, drive an attempt on the 6 Series.